Hey there, luxury seekers and beach enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the tropical paradise that is Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres. This all-inclusive resort in Mexico's stunning Costa Mujeres region is making waves, and we're here to give you the full scoop. So, grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore this slice of heaven together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres doesn't mess around when it comes to rooms. They've got a variety of options to suit every traveler's needs. Picture this: you're lounging on a pillow-top mattress, gazing out at the ocean, or lush gardens from your private balcony. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, that's just the beginning. Their rooms come equipped with smart TVs, so you can catch up on your favorite shows while sipping a tropical drink. And let's talk about those bathrooms. They're partially open, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family, they've got you covered. From rooms with one king bed to suites with multiple beds and even a sofa bed, there's something for everyone. And here's a little secret: some rooms even have swim-up access. Imagine stepping out of your room and straight into a refreshing pool. Now that's what I call vacation goals. Now let's talk about food, because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres is a foodie's paradise, with a whopping 9 restaurants to choose from. Fancy a gourmet meal? Head to Bistro, their adults-only restaurant. Craving some sushi? Kabuki's got you covered, with their teppanyaki and sushi bar. For those who like a bit of everything, Flavors offers an international buffet that'll make your taste buds dance. And if you're in the mood for some authentic Mexican cuisine, Mariachi Loco is the place to be. They even have a tequileria, so you can sample some of Mexico's finest tequilas. Seafood lovers, rejoice. Mar House serves up the freshest catches right on the beach. For the meat lovers, Don Jaume Steakhouse will satisfy your cravings. And if you're feeling a bit homesick, Majestic offers some good old fast food. Last but not least, Il Botacho brings a taste of Italy to the Mexican coast. With all these options, the hardest part of your day will be deciding where to eat. Let's dive into the pools and beaches, shall we? Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres doesn't just have one pool, they've got 4. And these aren't your average pools. We're talking about spacious, crystal-clear oases where you can float your cares away. But here's the kicker: they've got 6 swim-up bars. Yes, you heard that right. 6, so you can literally swim up and order your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water. It's like a dream come true for water lovers and cocktail enthusiasts alike. And let's not forget about the beach. Picture soft, powdery sand between your toes and the turquoise Caribbean Sea stretching out as far as the eye can see. The hotel's beach is a slice of paradise, perfect for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or taking romantic walks at sunset. And don't worry about lugging your own beach gear. The hotel's got you covered, with towel service, sun loungers, and umbrellas. Whether you're a pool person or a beach bum, you'll find your happy place here. Now, let's talk activities, because Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres knows how to keep you entertained. For the fitness enthusiasts, there's a state-of-the-art gym equipped with all the latest machines. You can keep up with your workout routine while enjoying ocean views. Talk about motivation. If you prefer your exercise with a side of fun, head to the beach for some water sports. They offer snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, so you can explore the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean. And for those who like to spice things up, they've got a weekly entertainment schedule packed with live performances, themed dinners, and cultural events. You could be learning salsa one night and watching a spectacular dance show the next. And here's a pro tip: don't miss out on their evening entertainment. It's the perfect way to cap off a day in paradise. After all that activity, you might need some R&R, and that's where the spa comes in. The spa at Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres is a sanctuary of relaxation. From soothing massages to rejuvenating facials, they offer a wide range of treatments to pamper you from head to toe. And it's not just about the treatments. The spa facilities themselves are a treat. Imagine unwinding in a steamy sauna, letting the heat melt away your stress. Or picture yourself in a tranquil relaxation area, sipping on herbal tea and feeling your worries float away. The spa is open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., so you can schedule your bliss whenever it suits you. And here's a little insider tip. Book your treatments early in your stay. That way, you can go back for seconds if you fall in love with a particular treatment. And trust me, you probably will. For those traveling with little ones, Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres has got you covered. Their kids' club is a paradise within a paradise for the younger guests. While you're lounging by the pool or indulging in a spa treatment, your kids will be having the time of their lives. The club offers a variety of activities, from arts and crafts to games and even mini discos. They've got trained staff to keep an eye on the kiddos, so you can relax knowing they're in good hands. And it's not just about keeping them busy. The activities are designed to be fun and educational, giving your little ones a taste of Mexican culture. The best part? The kids' club runs throughout the day, giving you plenty of time for some adult relaxation. It's the perfect balance of family time and me time. Now let's venture beyond the hotel because Costa Mujeres has some amazing attractions. Just a short distance away, you'll find the Cancun Underwater Museum. Imagine snorkeling or diving among hundreds of submerged sculptures. It's like visiting an art gallery and aquarium rolled into one. If you're into history and culture, the ancient Mayan ruins of El Meco are a must-visit. These well-preserved ruins offer a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich history. And for a day of adventure, head to Xcaret Park. This eco-archaeological park is like a Mexican Disneyland, offering everything from underground rivers to cultural shows. The best part? The hotel can help arrange tours to these attractions, making it easy to explore the best of Costa Mujeres. So, what's the verdict on Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres? Well, if you're looking for a luxurious beachfront getaway with top-notch amenities and a variety of dining options, this place is hard to beat. The rooms are spacious and well-appointed, the pools are numerous and inviting, and the beach is simply stunning. The variety of restaurants means you could eat somewhere different every night of the week, and the spa offers the perfect opportunity to unwind and pamper yourself. The activities and entertainment options ensure that there's never a dull moment, whether you're into water sports, fitness, or cultural experiences. And for families, the Kids Club is a real game changer, allowing parents to enjoy some alone time while the little ones have fun. However, it's worth noting that some guests have mentioned minor issues with room maintenance and service consistency. These seem to be isolated incidents rather than widespread problems, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, if you're looking for a quiet, intimate getaway, keep in mind that this is a large resort that can get busy, especially during peak seasons. What really makes Majestic Elegance Costa Mujeres stand out is its attention to detail and commitment to providing a luxurious experience. The swim-up bars in the pools, the variety of dining options, the spacious rooms with ocean views, all these elements come together to create a truly special vacation experience. The hotel's location in Costa Mujeres is also a big plus. It's close enough to popular attractions to make day trips easy, but far enough from the hustle and bustle of Cancun to maintain a peaceful, exclusive atmosphere. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.